Hey TWiP fans, you may have heard by now that the once per year 5-day deal Video Creators Bundle is now available. But the catch is you've only got 2 more days to grab it. Now this is a once a year deal and it's gone forever on June 6th at 12 noon Pacific. So what's in this deal? Well, it consists of over $1,000 worth of instantly downloadable training, tutorials, ebooks, software, digital tools for all levels of digital content creation, and you get all of that stuff for just $99. So what's included in the bundle? Well, you get the Filmmaker's Process from Shane Holbert, and you get Motion Picture Film LUTs from Denver Riddle, TWiP.pro drone editing templates from Chris Newman, stabilization strategies from Mark Wonderland, introduction to video editing with Adobe Premiere from F-Stoppers, TWiP.pro advanced editing from Yuri Soglowek, cinematography marketing suite from Design Aglow. You also get the podcasting professional from yours truly, Frederick Van Johnson. You get animating still photos by Eric Geisler and Serge Ramili, film stock emulation presets from Kevin Davies, and the creative camera framing workshop from Jordi Vandeput. So grab your bundle now before it's too late. Just head over to TWiP.pro/5DD. That's TWiP.pro/5DD to get your $1,000 worth of goodies for just $99. And remember, this promo ends on June 6th at 12 noon Pacific, then it's gone forever. All right, that's it for this public service announcement. We'll see you on the podcast.